There it is, guys. Ooh, that shit. Oh, that shit is mean. Yeah, that shit is mean. Let's go check it out. What's up, great gang? Today's video is brought to you by Auxbeam. Auxbeam offers several different lighting options for your vehicle, your whip, whatever you want to call it. They offer light bars, underglow lights, LED headlights, LED tail lights, interior lighting. Whatever type of lighting you need for your vehicle, they offer. So go out and check it out. Auxbeam, I'm gonna put a link in the description, and I'm also gonna put a 15% discount code in the description. Hey, y'all know how I do. Great gang, got y'all back. TTG. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be giving away this LED bulb system. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget. It's been a little minute since y'all seen me, but I'm finally back. I'm back on YouTube. It feels good to be back. I know y'all miss me, and I know y'all miss Rambo and the Corvette. Now, I know y'all probably wondering, Ty, where the hell have you been? Just recently started my own business, so this is why I have been off of YouTube for a while. I've been trying to get everything together, making sure the business straight, set up to make money. Now I'm back. Rambo is back, the Corvette is back, so it's time to get straight to it. Those of y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know what I've been up to. So if you don't see me posting on YouTube, usually just check my Instagram. I'm gonna put the name right here. That's the fastest way you get to see what's coming for the truck or the Corvette. So follow me on Instagram if you out of the loop, man. Taekwondo, I tell y'all this every video. Stay up to date with your boy. Today's video, I actually got something special. So the other day on my way home, I seen this cool Chevy Silverado. It was lifted. It had to be about 12 inches lifted. White with blue wheels. So I said, hold up, y'all know me. I gotta go check it out. Y'all know I just joined the Chevy gang, yes. Just recently got a Corvette. Traded in my Scat Pack Challenger. I did it because I wanted to broaden the channel a little bit. So today, I'm actually going to go check out this Chevy Silverado. I might be adding it to the channel. I'm not gonna get rid of Project Rambo. It's just gonna be an addition. I'm not trading nothing in. Just relax, relax. But I know a lot of y'all following me for Project Rambo, so I would never get rid of Project Rambo. That truck is here to stay. As I was explaining to y'all at the beginning of the video, the Auxbeam sent me a couple of LED lighting systems, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on these. I got 2 to give away. As you guys can see, Project Rambo, they just sent me that emergency light bar. I got it on. I don't know if I want to take it off yet. It's a little magnetic joint, so it stays up there. Plugs into the cigarette lighter. Got the Corvette. But let's get ready to go check out this. So I know y'all miss me, but like I said, I just started my own business, been getting that in order, so now it's good, everything is good. I'm back to YouTube now, it's time to start posting. Like I was saying, the other day on the way home, I seen this nice ass Chevy Silverado that caught my eye. So this is what we're going to check right now. Y'all see we in the Corvette. I don't know how I switched over to Chevy. I'm still a Mopar guy, hey, don't get it twisted. But, just trying to change it up. I want to have multiple things on the channel. Oh, there it is, guys. Ooh, that shit. Oh, that shit is mean. Yeah, that shit is mean. Let's go check it out. Boy, this thing is insane. Got the baby blue. Not even baby blue. Nice ass blue. Look at the wheels. Y'all already know I'm 6'4", 6'5". Oh, this thing is a monster. Yeah, that thing is a monster. And it's a Duramax. I want to know what they want for it. I know they're probably going to tax for this. And they got the stacks. Boy, that truck is mean. He went to get the key. If it makes sense. Y'all know I'm going to get it if it makes sense. Boy, this shit is a monster. I'm still... Still trying to get over how big it is.
I think it's dead.
Oh, it's dead?
Normally it just pops out. Yeah. So let me grab a jump box real quick.
Alright.
Yeah, it has the scar ceiling too and everything. It's crazy.
Damn, how much they asking for it?
This one's going for $65,000.
Okay, so that's not bad.
I'll be right back. Let me grab it.
Alright. Oh, it's nice. It got the blue. He said the battery's dead. He went to go get the battery now. That's fully custom. 65,000. That's not bad at all. Z71. Y'all know I don't know what that means. I'm just getting into Chevys. Damn. Man, this thing is nice. Man. Even got the white out. I'll tell her, oh, they tripping with this. I see the little lens broke. Discount. You need a ladder for that thing, eh? You need a ladder for that. This right here, man, this will be a good addition to the channel, man. This is, look at this thing. Man, this thing is a monster, monster. Like I said, I'm 6'5", and look at this. That gives you an idea how crazy this thing is. So, I just jumped up in here. See if I can get it. This thing is nice. You got speakers all in the back. The blue, the suede, little blue accents. Whoever had it definitely went all out. Definitely went all out before. Cold. About to test drive and see if I like it. Got a little step ladder. Oh! I got a lifted Ram, but it's not this damn big. Yeah, this shit. How many inches this is?
This one here. Let me look it up for you real quick. Yeah, we're gonna just go straight down this way.
You said y'all had it for like a month?
Yeah, I know we got it sometime in December. So at that light up there, we're gonna turn right. I don't know if you saw, it has a black smoke mod up there. So when you push on it, it'll push out to right here.
Yeah, got a nice pickup. Big ass truck here.
Oh yeah.
So, you drove it before?
No, I didn't get an opportunity to. No.
My truck, I got all the extra shit on it. It's slow, man.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
But
okay.
I'm probably getting like 9 miles per gallon on it, too.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Did you get a chance to play with the air suspension?
No.
Alright, so when we get back, I'm gonna have you do that. The back goes up and down.
Okay. Yeah, I seen him doing it. I seen the other guy doing it. This had to be like a show truck, man.
For sure. Oh, we gotta turn these on too for you. How do I do that? That way we get back, I got you.
We got the Rolls Royce stars on it?
Yeah. It does. It has the star ceiling.
Yeah.
Makes it easier. Wow, that's so funny. Looking at your Corvette compared to the size of it.
It's tiny.
Space.
I don't want to hit nothing, bro. I can't see shit.
That's fine. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
I got you. I got you.
I ain't taking no chance with that.
There you go, man.
Oh, dang. Oh, shit, nice.
I'm gonna park it right up there.
Alright. Oh, he's pulling it up now. I didn't want to take no chance. Let me run into something and they try to charge me for it, saying I gotta buy. Oh, you squeezed through. All right, great gang. So I decided not to go ahead and get the truck. The reason why I decided not to go ahead and get the truck is because the truck is gonna be for the channel, and that truck was already completely done. It wouldn't have been much for me to do to it. What I will be doing is I'm going to get a basic stock Silverado and build it up on the channel as I did Project Rambo. Y'all know me. I want to do my own thing, have my own creation, and post it on the channel. So that's what we're gonna do, great gang. Great gang. We still got more to come on Project Rambo. So stay tuned for the next video. Hey, don't forget, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Taekwondo, put the link right here. Taekwondo. At the Oxley giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away 2 sets of these LED bulb systems. So all you have to do is subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and DM me on the Instagram. That's what you did. And I'm gonna be picking the winner and I'm gonna announce it in the next video. Great gang! I told y'all, we the most lit automotive channel on YouTube, man. Holla at your boy, TTG, we out.